A couple of weeks ago, I got a job offer from an architecture firm in Mumbai, and just like that, I decided to move to Mumbai.
I think the most difficult part of my day is actually reaching my place of work. Everyone told me that traveling is going to be such a big pain, but I didn't realize it until I actually got here, and that's when it hits you. It's really difficult.
Hi, I'm Kashmira and I'm an architect. And today I'm going to talk about what it's like to work in an architecture firm in Mumbai. Let's dive right into it. The first thing I noticed upon entering this office was that every single person has customized their desk according to their taste, all the way to the tiniest detail. Such an architectural thing to do. This is where I sit. Working in an architecture firm can be really intense because you're usually under this pressure situation, which includes tight deadlines. And at the end of the day, building a building costs a lot of money. So there is going to be pressure and there are going to be tight deadlines. One thing I had to realize early on as I started working in office is that no one is in office is actually going to sit with you and teach you anything. So it involves a lot of self-learning and self-teaching and just looking around and trying to understand what other people are doing and trying to ask questions and really get an idea and feel about the entire project as a whole. But I was very lucky to find really nice and helpful co-workers who helped me learn and grow fast. One thing I really appreciate about Mumbai as a city is that there is this constant contradictory juxtaposition of the old versus the new. You could be walking next to a 100-year-old building and just in a few seconds later you will see something like this. And of course there is constant construction going on wherever you look, everywhere you look. So it's very exciting to be a part of the city when you are a young architect. As an architect, you could be working on one building which is in the construction phase. So you would be sending out drawings which are good for construction one day, and the next day you might have to work on a building which is in a completely different phase of design, which might just be starting at the concept level, and that all completely depends on the requirement of the client and the deadlines. A big shout out to Kapadia Associates for letting me create this video inside of their office. If you want to learn more about them, you can find a link to their website on the description box below. As a young architect, you are so used to looking at the building inside of the 3D software, whether it be SketchUp, Revit, or anything that you use. But I didn't really understand how important it was to look at the materials which will in fact be used inside of the building, because ultimately the materials will be what will be on the building after the building is constructed. So it's important to make sure that they complement each other and they go well together, and there is a sense of balance in each of them. So today we are here to check the paint mock-up. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but those are two different colors. And we're here to make sure that they go well together and there is a sense of balance maintained between them. In the beginning, I didn't really realize why we used to have these like really long discussions about paint colors, but it's actually when you visit the site and look at the actual scale of the building and the size of the building that it hits you that this paint color or this material is going to go on the overall elevational facade of the building. And not only that, but it's going to address the entire city block. So it's so important to put a lot of thought in checking the materials, the exterior materials.
So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel below. Bye.